G'day everyone. Today I'm actually going to talk about one of the first things I've done. So I've just picked up the car the other day from Toyota and I wanted to get some sort of covering to protect the paint and also the interior of the car. So what I decided to do was to get a ceramic coating because I've read all the reviews about that, and I read that it does sheet the water off very, very well and also protects the paint as well. And I've also done the interior as well. Now this is Virgil. I actually found Virgil on Facebook, so this is not a sponsored review. I'm paying full money for this, so you know that this is not a sponsored review, so I'm telling you the truth. And I'm absolutely amazed with the results that I've got from the car. When I walked in, I just went, wow, I could see it instantly. And I'll show you around it in a minute with the camera and I'll take you around. But I thought, first of all, what we'll do is I'll introduce you to Virgil, and Virgil is going to take you through the whole process of what he does with this, and perhaps the products that he's used with it as well. And you know, we'll just sort of take it from there. And then, like I said, I'll show you with close-ups with the camera to give you an idea about what we've used and how it looks. So what we'll do now is I'll put Virgil on and he'll talk about the process that he used and what products he's got. Okay, Virgil, how you going? Virgil's a bit nervous because he hasn't done this sort of thing before.
Look, first of all, thanks, David. Thanks for bringing your car over to me. My name is Virgil, as you said. I'm the owner of VMS Detailing. Been doing this job for about over nearly 15 years now. Look, what I do is basically, with the car, when you bring it in, straight from the dealership, the car is not pristine. It's not what you think it is. Okay, it has got some swirls, it's got some scratches, it's got some minor defects and things like that. So first method that I use to basically decontaminate the whole vehicle. What that means is basically to remove any contaminants, anything that's stuck on the paint. We make sure that we remove that with a clay bar and things like that. So any polishes, waxes and things like that that's stuck on there from the dealership, we remove all of that. And then we follow that with paint correction. Paint correction is basically it's a machine polishing. Okay, we run that through your paint, make sure that we remove minor swirls, scratches and things like that that will show underneath the coating, which is, it doesn't look good. Okay, so after that we then wash the vehicle with full-on alcohol, which is, we call it IPA, prep wash or whatever you want to call it. Once all that done, and then we will apply the coating. Coating is basically ceramic paint protection. Okay, now what I use is, over there is Crystal Serum Ultra. Okay,
so I'll show that in a minute.
Yeah, so Crystal Serum Ultra is from G-Technique. It's one of the premium coating that you can buy, I would say, around the world. Okay, this product is basically available to accredited detailer only that can only apply it by approved applicator. Okay, so as you see here, it takes a while to master it. It takes a while to basically apply it. Once it's applied, basically now you can see the finish. It's the shine, it's the gloss, it's hydrophobicness once you wash it. Basically protects it, or I would say, protects it from any minor scratches and swirls and so on. Okay?
It looks absolutely stunning when you look at it. Now, not only did we get that, and I'll show you actually before we do that, can you show us the product? Virgil, do you have that there?
Yeah, no, it's just there.
Oh, it's just over here?
Yeah, no, on the top there.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this is the product that we're using up here, which is that Crystal Serum Ultra that we've used. So again, I'll leave the link down to here and you'll be able to get all the information where it is as well. But what did you do for the interior?
Okay, now interior again, once bring it from the dealership, the interior, your leather, your basically plastics and vinyls and things like that, they are raw. Okay, they are raw material. So what we've done to it, applied again, the product is G-Technique, G-Technique Leather Guard, okay? So Leather Guard that we put in here basically protects all the interior, protects what your investments are. Anything that basically goes in that basically just wipes off.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. I love the colour because it was sort of a matte grey it wasn't quite the black that I thought it was going to be, the colour, but I love how it's come up once it's had this coating put on, because you know, it really does now look nice and black, and it feels really nice actually, like really nice. So, and that's the carpets and everything, isn't it?
Yeah,
that we did.
The
so,
carpet actually is what we call a fabric protection. What it does is waterproof it.
Yeah.
So if you do spill anything and things like that, all you need to do is basically shake it off.
And then if we look at the back here, you can see too that we've done all the carpets and everything in the back, that the whole back part has been done. Everything in there is done. So basically now it's just ready to go. Now the beautiful thing is that when you feel this, it's so smooth. It actually does feel like glass. And like I said, I'm not being paid to say this because I've paid full money for this. So, but I actually love it. Not only that, we've had the tinting put on it was just the front windows, wasn't it?
That's correct.
Yes.
The two front?
Yeah, because the side windows and the back window have coating already on it, but we've had the windows done as well at the same time. But the car is now just absolutely sparkling. I absolutely love it. I can't wait now to take it out. Now I am getting a bull bar and a rear bar put on, which is colour coded, and that is also going to be done for me as well. And he's kindly actually said that he would do that without charging me extra money. So how good is that? You can't complain about the service at all. It's basically taken just the 2 days. It has to sit there for 12 hours, was it?
Minimum 12 hours for curing.
Yeah, curing. So it's cured for 12 hours. So now that it's right to go. Now I'm just going to talk in a minute about how to wash it and things like that, but we'll go through that off camera. But I just wanted to show that. So let me know what you think about this down below. Like I said, I highly recommend here, and I'll put the link about everything so you can just email to get a quote and things like that. But I think it looks absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, mate.
Pleasure.